It is Monday, July 23rd, 2012, and we returned yesterday from a ham fest up at Kankakee Valley up in Peatone, Illinois, and was able to secure a replacement tube. Actually, this is a 6AK8 tube. We tried to get a complete replacement for all the tubes, but unfortunately they're few and far between. We've just recently turned this on, and we do have a bit of audio. I noticed that the Magic Eye, or in this case it's a fan eye, it's a EM80 or a 6VR5 type indicator. That's this right here. There is filament, but it is not operating. All right, well, let's try this out. We'll flip this to the AM side.
You know, for the school that says, I'm still going to Penn State. I want to be part of the rebuilding
that's a good
process.
sign right there. Let's
How are
do
you
some
going to tell a
fine-tuning.
kid to go to Penn State if they
We'll turn it down.
for a Big Ten title, a bowl game?
Okay, well, that's great. We're able to pick up
what Penn State
station there. Sounds a bit noisy coming across the dial. And there's another one. Not sure what the noise is. It's not dirt. We did clean out sensitivity leaves a lot to be desired on AM. A lot of interference coming across the dial. Let's flip over here to... That's WIBC out of Indianapolis.
The skillful archer draws.
And here's WBAA at Purdue. So
around
not too bad. All right, let's flip over to the shortwave band, and we'll crank the volume up a little bit, and we'll scan all the way across. There's something right in there. Let's try. Okay, not too bad. It appears that the band is about 10 megacycles down to about 5.9, so there's a bit of a variance in through there. And one more. Let's try the FM. We'll crank the volume down a little bit again. And right there, great. Okay. Let's come across. There is a little bit of flicker on our Magic Eye. Certainly not what we would have expected. And we're at the end of the FM spectrum here. So it appears that this radio is operational. Earlier we did clean out the back side and went in through and checked things out, made sure all the wires were connected, touched up a couple of solder joints, and we added a short antenna here for AM. There is a built-in FM antenna that's inside here. This obviously picks up also on the shortwave side. This radio offers an option for tape and phono, of which there's no accessories. Let's crank this up a little bit. And the tone controls appear to operate. So this radio is workable except for, unfortunately, the Magic Eye, and future ham fests we will keep an eye out, but who knows what the availability of that's going to be. All right, this is KC9 VUL. Thanks. Have a great day.